Hello there, my name is Random CG, and today we're making the gas mask from Poppy Playtime Chapter 3. So pretty much what I have planned to make the Huggy Wuggy gas mask is I'm going to take something that I already have printed and I'm going to modify it. I've pretty much printed out a World War I British gas mask replica because I'm part of a World War I group that does occasionally get filmed, and I thought it would be good to have an on-screen prop for the filming if we ever needed to do a scene where they're wearing the gas mask. But this is very much a prototype. It's got a few holes in it, and I'm not 100% happy with the fact that it's got like the diamond pattern. I kind of want to smooth it out a little bit more. Like, these masks were covered in a Kevlar or fabric of some sort, so it's not really that much of an issue, but I'd still like to monkey around with it and see if I can get a better looking gas mask. But of course, I don't want to throw this out either, because this is pretty cool. Like, this is a pretty cool prop. Like, are you my mummy for Whovians out there? Like, it's a very good prop. So I didn't want to throw it away, and I was looking at the mask and Huggy Wuggy, and I thought, you know what, they're very similar. They look very close. The only thing that's different is this area. They don't have the hose that goes down to the canister. They have the attached canisters right to the mask. So that got me thinking, and I went into Tinkercad. I went into Tinkercad and designed my own thing, because I pretty much modified a file that I found on Thingamers and made a quasi-functional respirator flap. And so I thought if I could modify another piece, I could pretty much take this cap, throw it away, don't really need it, and then screw on the new cap with the canisters onto this, and then that can just simply plug into the mask. I can glue it into place, and I can have a Huggy Wuggy mask. Or if I decide I want this for other things too, it can just simply be replaced, and I can repaint the mask later. So that's pretty much our goal. We're gonna paint the mask, we're gonna cut off this nozzle for now, because we don't really need it. We're gonna fill it in with hot glue or rubber cement, and then we're gonna keep this piece so that we can screw in like the old cap or the new cap that we will for the Huggy Wuggy mask. We can pretty much do whatever we want with this thing. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna see where this goes. All right, so far the mask is coming out really good. I just finished the paint job on it, and my God, it's scary. Like this looks so authentic. Don't mind that spot. It seems to be a reflection. It might need another little bit of paint up there, but it's pretty much all coated, and the color came out so close to the original. Like it's just scary how spot on this looks. And I cut out the lenses and tinted them just to add that little bit of a darker effect, just because we don't see through the eyes of the mask on the teaser pictures. So I think this just looks so good. Like, even though it doesn't have the canister piece right now, when you put it on, it's just scary. like like I feel like I'm gonna get possessed if I keep this on my face too long. It's that scary. But yeah, it's coming out really good so far. I can't wait for the piece to be printed out so that we can then add the canisters. It's just coming out so good. I love how this is coming out so far. This is going to be such a great cosplay, and it's going to be such a good project to work on while I'm waiting to get Huggy Wuggy into production, or further production. He's in production, but it's going to take me a little while. So this is just going to be a good, holder piece until I get him done. So yeah, just have to clean up the lenses a little bit. Got a little bit of like glue on them. Clean up the lenses, finish printing the canister and the adapter piece, and this guy's gonna look so good when he's done. I'm so looking forward to it. Now they just need a little bit of paint, and then this mask is all finished. So here we have it, the fully finished Poppy Playtime Chapter 3 gas mask. Anyone that watched me play the game will know that this is actually a different strap. I was goofing around wearing it during a gameplay. That's why it's been a while. My hair's grown out since I started this product, which is really nice. I'm really happy that my hair is coming back. But yeah, you'll notice that it's a different strap because the original strap, I made the mistake of gluing it on after I painted it. So it was just glued to the paint. So the paint eventually just let go and it fell off. So this time I made sure to make sure that it was solely glued to the black rubber that this mask is made out of. And even though it's now got its flaws, like I can fix that easily before I go to a convention. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it came out. Like, this part came out really good. The canisters came out great. Like, it looks right out of the game. I'm so happy with how it came out. And even though I don't need to, like, the canisters, they twist in and out, so I can make them into real canisters if I want. Like, I can make this a fully functioning gas mask if I want. But for cosplay purposes, I don't think I'm gonna go that far. But yeah, I'm really happy with that I found this adjustable strap too, because not only does the color make it, like, it fits the aesthetic of the mask, but now it makes it so that anyone can wear it. Like, I can, like, have, anyone can wear it. Anyone can wear the mask if they want to try it on. Like, if they see me at a cosplay convention and they want to see me, they want to see the mask and everything, like, they can. So I'm just really happy with how this came out. Like, I honestly wasn't sure how it was gonna turn out. It was giving me trouble with this piece for a little while, but everything came out smoothly, and I think it just looks fantastic. But thank you all so much for tuning in to this cosplay DIY. If you want to see more, I do plan on posting more later this year. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get to a convention with this guy this year just because of my cancer issues. I have surgery that's going to knock me down for a few months, so may not be able to make it to any conventions this year. But my hope is to eventually not only wear that guy to a convention, but I'm hoping if I can get the right colored suit, like the right colored paint suit, maybe even one that's more robust looking, I can kind of cheat and use that suit to not only cosplay the gas mask worker from Poppy Playtime, but maybe even cosplay a employee from the Lethal Company, because I think that would be a fun cosplay to do next after this guy. And eventually we'll get back to Huggy Wuggy, but just while I'm on my downtime, just while I'm recovering from surgery, these kind of cosplays are easier for me to do at the moment, so may as well just have fun with it. And then when we get back up on our feet, try and do the bigger stuff. But until then, we're just gonna have fun with the old Poppy Playtime gas mask. So if you want to see more of me wearing this mask, maybe check out my Let's Play of Poppy Playtime Chapter 3. And if you liked the DIY, make sure to hit the like button. Maybe subscribe for more if you want to see the Huggy Wuggy eventually get built, or see that guy get used eventually, and hopefully maybe a Lethal Company cosplay. But for now, thank you all so much for watching. And as always, we'll see you in the next video. But until then, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, and stay random, everyone. Until next time.